So I'm Livia Zaharia, founder of GlucoseDAO and also a type 1 diabetic. And our idea is to let you control your glucose, not your glucose control you. And to put it simply, just going from the first picture to the last picture without the intermediate picture, kind of. So this is a snapshot of the life of a type 1 diabetic with CGM. You have these highs and lows, and well, they can be kind of well expressed by the images. And the idea is it's not just extreme hunger, but you can also faint, you can also sometimes have hallucinations or other more severe medical impact. Like I said, not just me, but also part of the 9 million users of CGMs that are type 1 diabetics go through this. If you were to compare, well, non-diabetics with diabetics, you can see actually the visual graphics. Obviously, the best thing would be to be in range, if possible. But in case of type 1 diabetics, it's kind of hard due to medical reasons, management, and things that, well, humans with functional pancreas do not experience, as you can see the graphics. So what do we propose, basically? We propose to have a model that predicts your next hour of glucose based on the input from the CGM. We want to have it as service, basically, so it would be served as an API that uses this foundational model we trained, and it would be customized for each person in the thing that you'd have fine-tuning, because obviously every single one of us is different, and what works for me would not work for another diabetic of my same age, gender, and specification. And it also has the advantages that it can be integrated with other apps that use this kind of services. So you don't have to have a standalone app. This all is brought together by our wonderful team. Me, Anton there, who asked questions, and 2 other members which are not present, which we also participated at hackathons, and the scientific advisory board, which actually helped us with information and inputs. Authors of papers like Gluformer and Glucobench, the first part, and the third part, Professor Georg Füllen, which in the University of Rostock helps us with the benchmarking. So we want to have a benchmark of human accuracy prediction. Basically, no one knows how good a human is at predicting their own glucose, and we want to test that, because you can compare models and machines, but not how it acts in real life, and you can't expose users to this. So if you have questions or any other information, you can tell our chatbots, LinkedIn, X, or Telegram, and I actually managed in time.
Thank you.
Here.
That's great.